Hi guys, this is again onepieceoffare.com, and for today's session we are going to show you how to book Philippine Airlines promo tickets. Sa ngayon po may New Year 2020 sale ang PAL. Ang details po noon makikita nyo po sa ating website onepieceoffare.com. You can see there the travel period, booking period, and then the destinations and the corresponding promo rates. Ang dalawang restriction lang po pala sa New Year sale ngayon ng PAL are as follows. First, dapat po pag international yung ibubook, dapat round trip kung gusto nyong makakita ng promo. Kung one way lang international, hindi nyo po makikita yung promo rates. Now for the domestic, you can see promo rates for one way or maging sa round trip. Another restrictions is that when you do the booking, when you search for the flights, make sure na at least 2 persons yung ibubook nyo. Pag isa lang, wala pong promo din na lalabas. Bago tayo magsimula, please subscribe po to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Piece of Fare and Airline Promos 2020 to 2021. Salamat po. Okay po, magsimula na po tayo sa ating tutorial. Now, first, you go to the booking website, philippineairlines.com. Ito po yung hitsura niya. And ngayon, maglalagay na tayo ng mga details. First, we will choose the origin tsaka destination. So, let's say we are going to Hong Kong. And then, when it comes to the departure and the return date, dapat po it's within the travel period. So, if you have checked onepieceoffare.com, you know nga ang travel period starts July to December 10, 2020. So, we will choose a date within that. So let's say it's September 14 and then up to September 17. Passenger, yung number of passenger, gagawin po nating 2. And then when it comes to promo code, wala pong promo code required ang New Year sale ng PAL. Click nyo lang po ang search flights. Sana may maganda kayong internet connection para mabilis mag-load yung page. So, eto na. So, the cheapest flight we can see here, it's 46.80 under Economy Super Saver. Economy Super Saver, may 25 kilos of free check-in bag allowance po binibigay. Yung return flight naman, pinakamura, it's 64.90. Papunta, it's 46.80. So, in USD po na currency, kino-quote ang international. Okay, piliin po natin. Yun. So, makikita natin na 150 yung base fare. Let's click the total plus taxes to see the base fare. Yung base fare po is 67 USD. Nasa sa inyo na po if gusto nyo na tong fare na to or gusto nyo pang maghanap ng mas mura na ticket. If you want to check other rates, pumunta po ng mga next day, click nyo lang yung next day, until makakita ng mas murang rate. So, again dito, 64.90 pa din. We're not satisfied with that. So, we will still find other promo tickets. So, yung pabalik, it's still the same, 64.90. Yung papunta, 46.80. Namamahalan pa din tayo. That's fine another date. So, if you are flexible with your travel dates, there's a better chance of getting the best fares. Okay, so wala pa din tayong nakikitang pinakamura. So let's search and search until we find the best fares. Okay, so now on this date, nakikita natin that there are fares na 57.40 yung pabalik. So piliin na natin to. Ang piliin na natin is ang papunta, the 46.80 USD. Ang pabalik, it's 57.40. Okay, so from 150 kanina, naging 96 na lang dito. Let's see kung magkano yung base fare. So ayan, Manila, Hong Kong, Manila, round trip, base fare $40 lang po. Nadagdagan lang yung price kasi there are other charges like yung mga nakalista dito sa screen na nakikita nyo ngayon. So, like fuel surcharge, terminal fee, at kung ano-ano pang charges. Pero again, this is now good for 2 persons. Okay, so Iko-close na po natin to. Tapos baka nagtaka kayo bakit naging 208.40, hindi yung 188. This is because may additional charge pa, itong ticketing service charge or web admin booking fee. Kahit pumunta po kayo sa opisina ng PAL, meron pa din pong ticketing service charge yun. So 208.40 is already good for 2 persons round trip. Murang-mura na po iyon. So, ayan, nakikita natin, Manila, Hong Kong, Hong Kong, Manila. So, now, bakit biglang naging 252.56 to? This is because of the travel insurance that the system put in place. The good thing is you can remove the travel insurance if you don't want it. Now, how do you remove the travel insurance? You just scroll down, find the section of the PAL travel insurance, and then unclick that box. Tingnan nyo po, bumalik na po sa 208.56. Okay, so now we go back. Economy po na international ticket ay mayroong 25 kilos na free baggage allowance per person. Kaya lumalabas po minsan na mas mura po ang Philippine Airlines versus other budget airlines in the Philippines. We go to the section on how would you want to pay. So you can pay online or you can pay via cash via payment center. For online payment, you can use your debit card, credit card, ATM card, GCash, Alipay, and such. Now, when it comes to cash via payment center, since this is a international promo ticket, this is quoted in USD. You can pay this cash pa din kahit peso ang dalhin nyo pero pumunta kayo sa bangko. So the banks are BDO, PNB, Union Bank, AUB. The tellers will accept your peso payment and sila na mismo ang magko-convert that into dollar to pay for your reserve booking sa PAL Airlines. So once that is done, scroll down, click mo yung I have read, and then click mo yung next. Lalagay muna natin yung passenger information. Since this is just a guide, madami name lang po yung ilalagay natin. So, lagay niyo po yung, make sure na tama niyo pong ilalagay yung name niyo ha, or yung passenger, first name, surname, and then, kung may junior, ilagay niyo yun sa suffix. Tapos, kompletuhin nyo lang po yung passenger details. And then contact information, make sure the info on this section is correct too. Email address, tsaka cellphone number. Kasi in case Philippine Airlines will cancel the flight or will postpone it to another time, they will reach out to you through the contact information that you leave during the booking. So make sure tama yung spelling ng email address and make sure you have the correct numbers sa contact number sa cellphone or sa landline nyo man. Okay? Okay, now let's complete this. Mas maganda po pag may promo, maganda yung internet connection nyo, yung mabilis, para mas mabilis din mag-load yung page. So, ayan, 208.56, 2 persons, round trip, Hong Kong. Click nyo yung proceed to hold. On the next page, you will see yung confirmation number nyo. Ayan. Pati yung reference number nyo. Now, screenshot this page. Save it and print or screenshot nyo lang sa phone nyo or sa laptop nyo. And then, take note of the reference number. This is what you will need to give to it in the form sa bills payment sa bangko. Ilalagay nyo yung reference number and then the total USD amount. Again, you can pay Philippine peso for your reserved international promo tickets ng PAL. Just go to the bank and then ang teller na mismo ang magko-convert niyan into USD. Make sure na mababayaran nyo yung ticket nyo na na-reserve bago mag 11:46 p.m. of the same day of booking. Otherwise, mafo-forfeit po yung slot ninyo sa promo. Sayang naman, ang dami pong pasahero na gustong-gusto ang makakuha ng promo ticket sa PAL. So anyhow, these are the mga cash payment centers pag domestic, yung nasa taas, and then bangko lang po pag international naman. Kasi sila lang yung nakaka-convert automatic ng Philippine Peso nyo into USD. Alright, we hope po na nakatulong itong tutorial natin for the PAL promo booking via website or via online. Mag-subscribe po tayo sa onepieceoffair.com. Madami po kami mga tutorial at guides na ilalabas this 2020 para po makatulong sa mga readers and watchers po natin. Follow nyo din po kami sa Facebook, Piece of Fair Promo. Meron din po kaming Twitter. And of course, subscribe po sa YouTube channel namin. Maraming salamat.